Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the SNOCOD 16,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner designed to give you powerful and fast cooling for large rooms up to 750 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, apartments, or office spaces where heat can become uncomfortable during peak summer days. The link is in the description, so visit there for the price details. What makes this unit especially useful is its 5-in-1 functionality, combining cooling, fan, dehumidifier, sleep mode, and a 24-hour timer into one compact machine, so you can use it all year round depending on your needs. The smart Wi-Fi app control allows you to adjust temperature, fan speed, and settings directly from your phone, while the included remote and touch panel give you multiple easy ways to operate it from anywhere in the room. It also features a quiet sleep mode that reduces noise levels at night so you can rest comfortably without disturbance, and the display can be turned off to avoid light distractions while sleeping. The 24-hour timer helps you save energy by automatically turning the unit on or off based on your schedule, making it both convenient and efficient for daily use. Its portable design with smooth rolling wheels means you can move it easily between rooms without heavy lifting, which is ideal for renters or shared living spaces. Installation is also simple thanks to the included adjustable window kit, allowing you to set it up quickly without professional help. Overall, this air conditioner is designed to deliver strong cooling performance with smart controls and user-friendly features that make hot days much more manageable, and if you are looking for an affordable way to upgrade your comfort at home, you can check the Amazon link in the description and grab it today before the deal ends. Thanks for watching.